get in the habit of, again, like letting go of that little comfort cushion and just going down to ground zero, being like, fuck it. If you're afraid of going out with like your hair not done a certain way, fuck it up on purpose for like a month, go out. If you're like, oh, I sense I'm attached to pre-partying and pre-gaming with drinking, cut it out. Get rid of every little thing you just try to anchor your level of comfort in. Get rid of it. Be the guy who only relies on what? Himself. The guy who has the core confidence. You're not trying to find situational confidence. You're like, you know what? Just me. That's good enough. Doesn't matter what I look like. Okay? I'm the shit no matter what I look like at that moment in time. I'm the shit. Those are the norms. Those are the standards. It's my reality. It's my rules. Realize that all that external shit that you try to find comfort in, you ultimately don't need. Oh, what's the plan? Go against the plan. Learn how to deal with it. Learn how to deal with the situations. Become more comfortable dealing with situations where you don't know what's going to happen, because that's what keeps it exciting as well. That uncertainty. You're not looking for, it's not like the boring thing where you're just going through the motions. As tempting as that sounds. As tempting as that fucking sounds. You have to be the number fucking one, okay? There is no number two.
I choose to fight back!
People just don't stick at it, and people don't want it bad enough. And if this was easy, everyone would be good. You want this shit, you gotta be competitive. You gotta be a go-getter. You gotta fucking hustle your ass off. Right now, it doesn't matter what your logistics are, doesn't matter what your job is, doesn't matter where you live, doesn't matter, how much time you have, make it happen. How bad do you want this shit? You gotta fucking hustle. You gotta be competitive. You gotta be the best. You're gonna have to deal with a lot of bullshit, and you gotta hustle your ass off. Get yourself in front of the camera, take the ball, and find a way to make this work.